Zhang Ruolin is expediting her transformation. The 19-year-old is attending this weight loss camp in Shenzhen, where she says she has lost as much as 12 kilograms in just 1 month.
我以前的照片啊，我以前是这样子的。
因为我个人其实的话，我自己减的话，可能没那么自律，然后就是可能我需要一个氛围。然后选择减肥训练营的话，我是觉得，首先它这里的氛围比较好。
She's not the only one in China looking to burn calories quickly. The nation is grappling with an obesity epidemic.
This urbanization and economic development. Right? We know that the rapid urbanization leads to more sedentary lifestyle in the cities. Rising incomes enables greater food and consumption and dining out. And also, economic growth has transformed China from dealing with undernourishment to obesity in just a few decades. We're seeing essentially a shift from traditional diets to Western-style foods high in sugar and fat, and this could be viewed as the problem with the rapid economic development and modernization.
In October 2024, China's National Health Commission reported an increasing morbidity rate among obese and overweight people. In 2020, the commission released a report saying half of Chinese adults were overweight or obese. The NHC predicts that percentage will rise to over 65% by 2030. China is not the only country struggling with obesity. Among developed countries, a dozen reported that more than half of their population over the age of 15 was overweight or obese. Topping that list from 2022 was the US, where about 2/3 described themselves as being overweight or obese. These obesity trends have sparked a fitness craze around the world, including in China.
People are increasingly using apps and devices to track health metrics. More Chinese are joining fitness centers and exercise programs. There is growing number of people who seek medical and nutritionist advice. People are attempting to modify their diets and daily routines. Many turn to weight loss, weight-less medications. Just to give you the sense how the industry has grown rapidly. Now China has nearly 1,000 weight loss camp brands across the country.
Zhang is among those who joined this boot camp that promises to help them overcome insecurity about their bodies.
女生嘛，身材焦虑肯定是会有的，就好像跟身边的人站在一起看别人就是身材很好，穿好看的衣服，然后自己只能套着宽宽大大的衣服，就可能心里还是会有点不开心。
因为很多外界因素，然后导致我非常的自卑，然后想来减肥。
比如说什么外界因素？
主要是来源于我的妈妈。我的妈妈是一个要求很高的人。他会每天在我的耳边说我胖，说我丑，然后说带我出去丢人什么的，然后让我来减肥。
Other trainees here say their weight has affected other aspects of their lives. When Zhang Zhanglian first joined the training camp, he weighed over 156 kilograms. Now he weighs 90 kilograms.
就是出去很吓人那种，然后家里人也担心我的健康问题。然后就把我送过来了，因为现在出去也不好找工作那样的话，现在减完肥就好很多。
为什么就是之前不太好找工作？
因为太胖了嘛，然后出去别人面试的时候也会担心，说什么我身体会出问题什么的，所以就没敢要。
There is no room for slacking off here. Strict diet plans and tough workout regimens keep clients in line and on track to achieve their goals. On average, students at this camp exercise more than 5 hours a day.
我们的训练模式是以科学运动减脂那么我们有无氧加有氧的一个综合训练无氧训练可以让他们在瘦下来的同时，也可以保证他们肌肉不会流失太多提高基础代谢。那么不仅是我们不是单纯的减重是真正意义做到减脂。
But the weight loss industry boom has also pumped up some controversy. The death of an influencer at a similar facility in May 2024 sparked debate over how extreme some of these camps can be. The authorities have yet to fully address public concerns about how the industry is regulated.
目前的话，我个人的观点啊，我觉得咱们中国的减肥训练营还不是特别的成熟，就是有一些可能在教练的一些经验上还不够丰富，像大家也可能，毕竟互联网也是大家都看得到，有些新闻或者有些消息说，某某某在什么训练营受伤或者是吃的东西不给吃这种情况啊，我个人观点的话，就是还是这个行业还需要一定的时间去沉淀。
Many camps they create without proper medical supervision or qualified staff. The facilities often have poor conditions. So essentially, this industry lacks proper regulation. There's huge concern about safety and effectiveness. Medical experts advocate essentially for more scientific approaches to weight loss under proper medical supervision.
Health experts link being overweight or obese with a greater risk of disease, reduced productivity, and lower quality of life. Obesity is also expected to place a heavier burden on China's healthcare system in the coming years. China's NHC has predicted that by 2030, the projected medical cost attributed to the overweight and obese population in China will reach 418 billion yuan. That will be almost a quarter of the nation's total national medical costs. To fight obesity and buck the trend, Beijing launched a nationwide campaign in June 2024. It's focused on reducing unhealthy food in schools while encouraging fitness in workplaces and among young people. Some health experts say more still needs to be done.
The government could consider implementing taxes on sugary products, although we're seeing by the regional differences that might complicate this. The government could roll out school zone regulations, imposing strict controls on junk food sales near schools, more health education, expanding public awareness programs to reach more of the population, better healthcare training more professionals in obesity management.
Until those policies are ironed out, more Weight Watchers are taking matters into their own hands to see just how much they can burn before they burn out.